So, in any of you have heard of Wicca rituals?
Yeah, we have. I have.
Okay.
Yes. Yeah.
Wicca rituals are basically based on the candles and all this stuff. ठीक है? Basically हमारी जिंदगी में जो problems आती हैं, in India also, जब भी हमारी लाइफ में कोई प्रॉब्लम्स आते हैं तो हम छोटे छोटे रिचुअल्स करते हैं ताकि मदर नेचर हम पे दया करे और हम लोगों को वो मैनिफेस्टेशन दे दे। जैसे कि हम लक्ष्मी पूजा करते हैं फॉर वेल्थ, हमें छोटी छोटी चीजें करनी होती है फॉर वेल्थ, मनी, फिनेंसेस, लव एंड हेल्दी लाइफस्टाइल। विका के अंदर हम लोग नेचर, मदर नेचर को वर्शिप करते हैं टू गेट द हेल्दी लाइफस्टाइल। हमारी लाइफ के अंदर बहुत सारी ऐसी चीजें होती हैं जो कि हम लोग चूज करते हैं। आपको पता है जितने भी रिलीजन है वो यही सिखाते हैं द वे ऑफ लिविंग अ लाइफ, कि हमें कैसे जीना चाहिए, हमें क्या प्रैक्टिस करना चाहिए, क्या नहीं प्रैक्टिस करना चाहिए। वैसे ही विक्का भी है, ठीक है। विक्का के अंदर 5 एलिमेंट्स को इंपॉर्टेंस दी गई है, विच इज एयर, वाटर, अर्थ, फायर एंड स्पिरिट, द एनर्जी। ओके, in the pentacle you can see it's water, air, earth, fire and energy. This pentagram represents 5 elements. So जितना भी विक्का रिचुअल्स आपने देखा होगा उसमें पेंटाग्राम अगर है तो दैट रिप्रेजेंट्स 5 बेसिक एलिमेंट्स, ठीक है। ये 5 बेसिक एलिमेंट्स बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होते हैं हमारे लिए, क्योंकि ये 5 एलिमेंट्स ही हमें हमारी मैनिफेस्टेशन करते हैं। फॉर एग्जाम्पल आप अगर कोई लव रिचुअल कर रहे हो या फिर मनी रिचुअल कर रहे हो, तो अगर ये आपके 5 एलिमेंट आपके ऑल्टर पे बैलेंस नहीं होंगे तो आप ये रिचुअल नहीं कर पाओगे अच्छे से, या फिर कर भी लोगे तो रिजल्ट्स नहीं मिलेंगे। तो विका के अंदर 5 एलिमेंट्स का बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट रोल है। और दूसरी बात, हम नेचर को वर्शिप करते हैं तो ऑब्वियसली पंच तत्व इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। इवन in here in India, people do consider Panch Tattva is important of all the elements. Now casting a protection circle. Casting a protection circle means सबसे पहले how we cast a circle. First of all, we should know how to cast a protection circle. बिकॉज ऐसा नहीं है वी आर डूइंग समथिंग रॉन्ग, हम लोग कुछ गलत कर रहे हैं तो हमें प्रोटेक्शन सर्कल कास्ट करना है, नहीं। वी आर कास्टिंग इट सो दैट, बिकॉज देखो आप स्पिरिचुअल जब भी कोई काम करते हो तो क्या होता है, नेगेटिव एनर्जीज अट्रैक्ट हो जाती हैं पॉजिटिविटी की तरफ। लाइक अ नेगेटिव पोल ऑलवेज अट्रैक्ट पॉजिटिव प्रोटॉन्स, पॉजिटिव आयंस। या प्लीज आस्क योर क्वेश्चन। Please, if you have questions. If you have questions, feel free to ask. Okay, no issues. So casting a protection circle is very important. Whenever we are doing something spiritual work, we should always cast a circle around you using the athame. Athame is basically a knife, which I will show you in the later thing. That with the help of this symbol we draw around us in the center, imagine yourself and you have to draw the symbol with that knife so that you can protect yourself and you protect your altar when you're performing something stronger or a powerful rituals. Always focus while doing all the rituals. Focus बहुत जरूरी है. If you're not focusing, it will not work. Okay, focus is one of the most important thing that you should do. Okay. We will be not going to give you any PDF notes. This will be a video. You can like see this video on YouTube. All right.
Ma'am, I have a question.
Yeah, ask.
Ma'am, where should we draw this symbol? Around us?
Around
Or
you with the help of a theme. It's a knife that I will show you which knife it is. So why we are drawing this symbol? We are drawing this symbol so that we can We can protect our energies from unwanted energies, from the unwanted spirits.
Okay.
Okay. Now we comes
Yeah.
to the next topic, that is Wicca prayer. After that, casting the circle, you should always use your Kavan's prayer. जिस भी कवन में आप हैं उसकी प्रेयर बोलना बहुत जरूरी है. It's very important to start with the Kavan prayer. If you are not starting with the Kavan prayer, it is believed that you will not be able to invoke the energies around you. Okay. कई बार क्या होता है, हम लोग कुछ काम करते हैं और विका प्रेयर करते हैं, विका प्रेयर नहीं करते हैं, जिसकी वजह से कई बार कुछ नेगेटिविटी होने वाली होती है. हम लोग अपने जो भी मेंटोर हैं उनको इन्वोक नहीं करते, तो उनकी एनर्जीज हमको बचा नहीं सकती. सो इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू डू द विका प्रेयर टू प्रोटेक्ट योरसेल्फ फ्रॉम अनएक्सपेक्टेड things that might happen during the ritual. Okay, and we can also expect a very good results while doing it. Okay, now next slide. Set up your altar. As I have discussed, this is your a theme. You can see a beautiful knife, small knife. I don't know whether you can see
Yeah.
this arrow on the screen or not.
Yeah. Yeah. We
Yes,
can see.
yes, we can
Yes.
see.
Okay, so this is the theme which we use in our altar. These are available in different designs and different types. So this is what we use for casting the circle. So sabse pehle, if you want to buy something, if you want to purchase something, a theme is one of the necessary thing. Initially you can use any other knife for doing it, but it is not necessary. बहुत लोग बोलते हैं कि आप विका करने के लिए ये करो वो करो, इतना ये सामान जरूरी है. It's very important. You should have the altars set up, altar things, but initially you can start with your basic things. Like चालीस नहीं है तो आप ग्लास यूज कर सकते हैं इनिशियली घर के लिए. ठीक है, आपके घर में बेल तो ऑब्वियसली होगा, आप पूजा घर में बेल रखते हैं, तो इसमें कोई स्पेशल नहीं है. बस स्पेशल ये होता है कि these are silver plated, so it is better to use silver plated thing. Initially you don't have tile, you can take a printout of a tile and use it, because these things work like this. If you don't have an altar cloth, no need, use a normal cloth. If you don't have a cauldron, use a bowl. Currently, basic things, if you don't have, you use the basic things that is available at your house. क्या पता अगर आपको लगे कि बाद में कि मुझे बड़ा अच्छा रिजल्ट्स मिल रहा है, बहुत ज्यादा बेनिफिट हो रहा है, then you can set up your altar as per your choices. Okay. अगर घर में स्पेस नहीं है तो छोटा बॉक्स भी बना सकते हैं. बॉक्स कैसे बनाते हैं? बॉक्स इस टाइप का बॉक्स होता है जिसके अंदर छोटा छोटा काफी सारा हम लोग सामान रख लेते हैं. We always keep lot of small things in a small box and we can keep our altar in the box. So ये भी टेंशन नहीं रहती कि when somebody will enter my room, they should not see my altar, right? So these things you can keep in your mind. You can keep your book of shadows separately. You can make a box. You can put all your altar items inside it, and you can literally, save your space in the time. So whenever you are traveling, you can also carry your stuff along with you. It's a good idea to charge your environment before performing anything. So I do recommend either use sage, Palo Santos. In India, you can use sandalwood, frankincense, myrrh, other natural incenses. I never recommend any sort of perfume that is synthetically produced or synthetic fragrances. I always recommend use fresh flowers for the fragrance. Use smudges like sage, lavender, rose, Palo Santos, sandalwood, and Angelica. Then you have a lot of smells that is available in the market. Even you can use diffuser for diffusing the natural essential oil. Always use a natural fragrance, because that brings the powers and the energy to your altar and brings manifestation. Basically आप कुछ भी कर रहे हो, क्यों कर रहे हो? मेहनत इतनी कर रहे हो, you are working so hard in order to manifest for the results, right? Whether you are doing it for yourself, here I'm not focusing on how to be in a Wicca. I am telling you how to manifest your things, like how to manifest your rituals. आप इतनी मेहनत, you are investing your time, money and everything. If you are not able to manifest certain things, then it's of no use. Okay, we are not kids. We do not want fantasy worlds. We want results also. So this is the main focus of mine to work on Wicca. The last one, now you can, after doing all these things, now you can cast a spell on somebody, and whatever is mentioned in the spell that you can perform. And you should always know the right spell for doing and the right and the precise thing of everything, whatever you are doing. So bring out the parchment paper is one of the very important. Ink is very important, and you just write it down and start doing this well. I believe that that is a basic info of Vika is complete, and I hope you will surely understand the basic things that you need while setting up, while setting your mind for the Vika and for the witchcraft. That is all. So if you have any issues, questions, you can feel free to ask me. In the further detailed course, if you join our the courses, which is a paid one, you can also enroll for the paid courses, which we provide from the basics to advanced. If you are already like perform certain things and you are not getting results, so you can also ask questions related to that. You are feel free to ask any type of question. I don't mind.